Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best koi pond filters that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the CNZ All-in-One Pond Filter System. The CNZ Pond Filter is a great all-rounder, providing both mechanical and biological filtration, as well as a very handy built-in UV sterilizer. This means that not only can it keep your waters clear and toxin-free, it also makes sure that you wouldn't have to worry about algae and microorganisms ever again, all for a reasonable price. This filter is designed for easy setup. Since it already comes with a built-in pump, the only thing that you have to do is submerge it into the water and hook it up to electricity. Water passes through a large, coarse foam that will provide physical filtration, and then it passes by 3 media baskets that you can use to fill with whatever biological media that you favor. Moving on. At number 4, we have the TetraPond Submersible Flat Box Filter. The TetraPond box filter is a versatile solution for mid to large-size pond filtration problems. Its unique build is specifically designed to reduce fountain and pump clogging, and fits right into a wide array of many different pond pumps. It's easy to set up, easy to clean and maintain, and easy to buy replacement parts for. The box includes the filter media and box housing, tubing, and tubing fittings. The filter itself is very versatile and can be attached to a large variety of pumps. You can even replace the filter media with biological filters if you wish to do so. Although it's not as thorough as more expensive units like the CNZ pond filter, this basic filtration system should be enough to clean up most ponds if you have a limited budget. At number 3, we have the OASE BioSmart 5000 Pond Filter. OASE's premium filtration system features unique features designed specifically to keep your mid to large-sized koi pond healthy and crystal clear. The OASE BioSmart boasts a variety of unique layered sponge filter media that has different porosity levels designed to catch all kinds of debris and particles that ends up in your pond. This filter system includes a temperature gauge, a drainage valve to take care of sludge buildup, and a 24W UV light to sterilize your pond water. The filter itself features easy clean functions that don't require you to physically remove the media to remove the muck from it. It also has light indicators that tell you when your media is clogged and needs additional maintenance. At number 2, we have the GoPlus Pressure Biofilter. The GoPlus is an affordable premium alternative to big brand name filters, affording the same handy features that expensive brands have, such as UV sterilization, specialized biological filtration, 2-outlet system, and automatic filter cleaning. The GoPlus is an all-in-one pressure filter designed with a variety of handy features to make cleaning your large koi pond easy and efficient. It is specifically designed with biological filtration in mind, and it has a built-in UV light to kill microorganisms and keep your water clean. The filter is very convenient to set up, since the box contains all the necessary fittings. The housing can hook up to different water pipe diameters, and it has a unique dual outlet design. One outlet directs clean water to the pond, while the other can direct dirty water out of the pond for cleaning. The whole thing is made of high-quality material that will not be damaged by sunlight, exposure, and water. And finally, at number 1, we have the TotalPond Complete Pond Filter. The TotalPond Complete Pond Filter is a great approach to cleaning up large ponds, thanks to its strong water flow that passes water through a 3-stage filtration that ends with a nifty UV clarifier. The TotalPond Complete Pond Filter is a reliable piece of equipment that's suitable for mid to large-sized ponds. It's pressurized, meaning it can accommodate high-speed, continuous, strong water flow that won't let debris settle into the bottom of your pond. This filter passes pressurized water into coats and fine media to remove unwanted particles out of the water and cycles it through bioballs that house beneficial, toxin-eating bacteria. In terms of aesthetics, its understated black design makes it easy to hide in the landscape of your pond. The pump, which doesn't come with this package, can be submerged in water or housed outside of the pond. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.